we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Kalolary large 12 feet Halloween inflatable decoration levitating, white ghost, that's include 12 feet Halloween inflatable. This Halloween inflatable is about 12 feet high when inflating, almost as tall as 2 adults, ensure that it can be seen from a distance. Dazzling built-in LED lights improve the viewing effect at night to create a bewitching nighttime display. Neighbors and children will be impressed by this best outdoor and indoor Halloween decoration. Scary appearance design. The middle part of this Halloween inflatable ghost is specially designed in transparent color, seem like a ghost is suspended in the air, which make it more real and horror, especially in the evening. Red eyes and white LED light let it more spooky and attractive. It is certainly the most unique and eye-catching outdoor Halloween decorations for the spookiest night of this year. Quality materials. Blow-up inflatable is made of high-strength and quality waterproof polyester fabric, which is fade-resistant and tear-resistance. Excellent stitching technology ensures its airtightness and improves durability, allows our holiday yard decorations can work great in windy, rainy or snowy weather. Quick inflates. Equipped with powerful built-in air blower, Ghost Inflatable is very easy to install. Just zip up the bottom zipper, then plug into a standard electrical outlet and it will blow up in minutes. The CE and UL standard safety certified adapter also ensures the safety for usage. Perfect Halloween decoration. The blow-up Halloween decor comes with all the accessories you need when setting up, such as ground stakes, buckle, fixed rope and sandbag, which are provided for adding extra support. Ensure it can keep the best show effect in any kind of weather. It is a perfect Halloween decor to place in the garden, yard, walkway, patio, lawn, indoors or outdoors parties. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.